Hi everybody, I'm Nancy G. Baker. Today I am in my kitchen and I'm hungry and I don't like the options I have, which is usually when I make bad choices. But today I remembered I have the ingredients for tomato basil soup. You can make it in about 15 minutes, so I'm going to show you what you need to have on hand and just show you how easy it is to make. So here's what I have. I did pick up some basil this week because I knew I was going to do this. Fresh basil is the best, but it would probably work with basil from a jar. You just need more of it. The other thing I make sure I have on hand is crushed tomatoes and then diced tomatoes. These actually have green chilies in them, so it kicks it up a notch. The last thing you have to have is chicken broth. So I will save my chicken broth when I make chicken and I'll put it in the freezer. If you don't have that, it's real easy to pick up a can of chicken broth and store that in your pantry as well. The recipe also calls for a carrot and celery, which I don't have today. They're not major ingredients, so I'm going to go ahead and mix up a batch with what I have and hopefully eat better than I would if I don't make this. So here we go.